This is tutorial number 81, and it covers the multi-views within Catia V5. To start off, open up the fishing reel step file, which is included on the DVD. So what we're going to do in this tutorial is I'm going to show you how to use and to utilize the multi-views. So to create a multi-view, all you have to do is just select this in the view box here, and it's automatically going to make an isometric, a front, back, and side of your part. Now the reasoning behind this, what you would want is that with one part, there may be multiple interferences or multiple angles you need to look at one time. So rather than moving around the one assembly all those times, you're able to create multiple windows and put it into those different positions. So at one time, you can see all four positions, all two, all three, whatever it may be, at one time. So to access each of these windows, all you have to do is click, and the active one will be the one with the compass in it. So you're able just to go back and forth. So let's say that we want to look at this one here. So if we click on this guy in here, this part here, you'll notice that in each window the same thing happens. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in and look at this guy at different angles. So in each window, you're able to manipulate it, and it's not going to affect any of the other windows. So this allows you to get multiple views of that one part while you're looking at it. So this allows you, when you're designing the part, to take into consideration multiple views, constrictions, and any restraints that may be affecting your part or assembly. So this is just another tool that allows you to really utilize the design process within Catia V5. And once you finish, all you have to do is unclick the multi-view and you'll go back to your single view. And that concludes our tutorial on using the multi-views within Catia V5.